So guys, I'm Varshit Kumar Punya. Let's build a web browser using ChatGPT, your own web browser. Go to your ChatGPT and write to build a web browser using Python and QTPY. Uh, uh, you need to install QTP and other services on your system first. Then this code will be running. Wait for a few seconds. Copy that code and paste in your VS Code or any IDE and save it. Save it. Now go to your CMD and call that to file. Okay, we give a browser.py name to that file. See, our browser is launched, but it doesn't have backward or forward buttons or refresh button. So first of all, let's add some features. Okay, right here that add some features like backward, forward, and mm, refresh button. Let me write it. It's going to be your own private web browser, क्योंकि इसका टेम्परेरी डाटा मतलब जो भी डाटा होगा वो टेम्परेरी सेव होगा, और जब तुम बंद कर दोगे तो वो डिलीट हो जाएगा. Okay, ChatGPT gives us a code. Once again, copy that code and paste it on your browser.py file. You need to install some requirements with pip command, or you can just browse it like install qtpy services. If you have if you are crossing with an error or something like that, you can ask it to ChatGPT. Now copy that code in our browser.py and save it. Now cmd and call that file. Okay, now see, we have our like refresh and forward button, and that's all for, I guess, today's video. You can see, and let me search YouTube ID. That's all. That's your own private web browser. Okay guys, thank you for watching.